The human eye, one of the most powerful instruments on Earth. On a clear day, we can spot the smallest detail in the widest view. But what the eye sees is not the full picture. Alongside the world we see is a very different world. An invisible world of hidden forces and powers that shapes every aspect of life on Earth. Now technology can open a door on that hidden world, revealing its mysteries and showing us the true wonder of the world we live in. In our vibrant, hectic world, we think we spot everything. But right in the midst of this busy world, there's a whole other world going on. It's just that we can't see it. To us, it's invisible. Our eyes are too slow to see everything that's really going on. The world is full of things that happen too fast for us to notice. Things we miss in the blink of an eye. The blink of an eye takes about 50 milliseconds. And it takes a human brain about 150 milliseconds to process what we see. We're not aware of this time lag going on, but in those few milliseconds, there are things happening, extraordinary things, that we never see. This is the invisible world of speed. Where thin air can shatter rock, and water can tear through metal. Where the fastest thing on Earth is right beneath our feet. And where we'd see spectacular events that some thought were UFOs. If we could stretch time, we could solve some of the biggest mysteries of our planet. Now, using the latest camera technology, we can stretch time, making the invisible visible. We can overcome the limitations of our eyes to see whole new worlds. Lightning. 1 billion volts and hotter than the sun. But there's even more danger in what you can't see. This is Rapid City, South Dakota. In the middle of America's lightning belt, it gets hundreds of strikes every year. But there's something strange about the lightning here. Something that's becoming a bigger and bigger problem. Something too fast to see. Lightning travels at over 100,000 miles an hour. So only with super slow motion cameras can experts begin to understand what's going on.
When you view a flash in real time, it's like seeing a title of a book. You can see that there was a flash there, it reached the ground, and maybe it flickered a little bit, but that's all you know. You come and record this same flash with these high-speed cameras, it's like a novel. It tells a unique story every time you play it back. Incredible.
In slow motion, we can see what gives lightning the shape that launched 1,000 horror movies. fingers of electricity hunting for the ground. And now, these high-speed cameras are allowing us to catch something completely invisible to the naked eye. The strange lightning that's found not in the plains, but right in the heart of Rapid City. There's a storm brewing. Specialist cameras set to record at nearly 300 times slow motion are waiting to capture it. And there it is. At first it looks like a normal lightning strike, but the technology reveals something else. Instead of lightning shooting downwards, this lightning is travelling upwards.
When I played this for the first time, I was just blown away. It was just amazing to see it.
And this strange, upside-down lightning is powerful. It carries more charge than normal lightning. But what's really extraordinary is that upward lightning is created by us. Because it's these tall transmission towers that are triggering the vast bolts of lightning firing up into the clouds. Now, you might think that because it's going away from the town, this lightning is harmless. Unfortunately not. When the upward bolt hits the storm clouds, it triggers more lightning that fires straight back down to the city. And it's not just here in Rapid City. As we build more tall buildings, this new form of lightning is spreading across the world.